Then you choose website category. There are a lot of categories you can choose from. This offer is about baby formula, so it can be for you may choose health as general. Then you set a daily budget. When you set the daily budget, you make it about $5 per day, which is very more than enough for the early start. This is very important, targeting customers by geographical location. Please do not allow all customers to see your ad, because it's ad only for United States, as we have seen in the offer. In Beerfly, it was for United States only. That was in the offer. So when you get to setting the 7search campaign, select specific countries. When you check the select specific countries, the about 200 countries will be shown to you. Click on United States, then click add. It will be added to the selected countries. If you have added anything by error, you can remove it by using this button. Now United States is the only country that the ad will be shown to, and it is very important step. When you make sure that all the steps are right, click on create campaign. The campaign will be created, and you will get to the second step in which you can choose keywords. We have made a list of keywords that we can use in the previous video, so you just copy these keywords and go to the space where you can type those keywords. Click here and paste all keywords. Let the starting bid as 5 cents, because it is the least amount that you can set for the early start, and click next. Revise everything, and once you can you make sure that everything is right, click submit keywords and click OK. Click on manage keywords page to alter bids for these keywords. Those are the bids and the keywords: baby formula, family. You will find that all keywords are targeted as broad match. The broad match is when someone type baby formula, your ad will be shown to him. For that keyword, when he types baby formula, ad will be shown. But even if he types baby without the word formula, or when he types baby and the formula, it will be shown. When he types any of the two of those words, baby or the word formula, your ad will be shown. So the broad matching is not accurate. It gives inaccurate traffic, and it affects the conversion rate for you. A lot of people click on your ad, and very few of them are converted. So the broad matching is a very popular mistake that lots of affiliates do. The first early step is to check on keyword, so you can check all keywords for your campaign, and then click edit. Just go to the broad bid, check it, and type the number 0. The number 0 sets the broad bid to not used. You are not using the broad bid, and it goes to a more specific targeting system, which is the phrase bidding. So just click on the broad bid, type 0, and click save. You will find that the word broad has changed to the word phrase for all these keywords. This is very accurate, and you can start by making this. Now the high bid here is about 9 cents. The high bid here, or the top bid here, about 9 cents. You can compete with it with 9 cents also. One here is 8 cents. 8 cents. This one is 5 cents only. You can start by 5 cents. No problem about this. This one is about 5 cents. You can make it 6 cents. 5 is good. 5 also. 5 1 5 5 5. Okay, now when you find that you make now click on save bids to save your bidding. You will find that your rank is about 1 or 2. When you are in rank 1 or in rank 2, you will receive enough clicks for these keywords. Now, something that most affiliates don't do in 7search is to check where their ad is shown in search results. This search magnifier, when you click on it for any given keyword, it gives you the ads that are in 7search, which are shown in all countries. By default, it shows bids in all countries, but you can choose in United States only, because your ad is shown to United States only. Then choose to show ads as broad and phrase matches, because we have used the phrase matching, so it shows here phrase matches. Then click apply. You'll find that your ad is in the 8th position with about 5 cents bidding. When you higher your bidding from 5 cents to 9 cents, it will be shown in the first result. When you make it about 10 cents, you will be shown in the you will guarantee to be shown in the first result, and so on. So you can alter your bids according to the position of your ad. So this bid now, the 9 cents, is very nice. Please make sure to see the magnifier, to click on the magnifier link for all your keywords, because it will be very useful to you to see which position you are bidding on. Once your keywords are ready, you can now receive traffic, and you will find here stats, impressions that your keyword receive, the clicks, and also the average CPC, the click, the cost per click, how much you cost you to for every click, and the average rank for any keyword. There is a very good info here. When you find that the average rank is very low, about 2, 3, 4, it means that your ad is not receiving enough impressions, and so you can make more targeting of the extended match, or raise your bids so you can be your ad shown in the first results. This is how you can track keywords in Beefly. But how can we track keywords in Max Bounty campaigns? In Max Bounty, there's some different steps. You just go to the offer in Max Bounty, choose keywords, and make a list of those keywords in Notepad file, and the same steps that we used in Beefly. No changes here until we make the list of keywords. Now we just go to this section, the advanced tracking options. Go to the 7search dashboard, go to your campaign, just copy any keyword you like. Let's take that keyword for example, copy and return back to Max Bounty, paste it in the sub ID value. When you paste it, click save pixel, so this keyword is saved, your callback URL has been saved. Now close it and go to the end of the page, select creative type, please select search because we are promoting this offer in the search engines. Then click get tracking code. You will get the tracking code that can be used, including the keyword that we have covered in the previous step. Copy this link, the whole link, and get back to the 7search keywords, click on that keyword and go to its options. Now you will find that there is custom destination URL. The destination URL, we have set that destination in the overall options of the keyword campaign. Now we are going to set it for this exact keyword. We just paste the link and then click save. Doing that with all keywords will be the only option to track keywords in Max Bounty, and it will give us a clear overview on how every keyword is performing. Don't forget to check the landing page of the offer. This landing page gives D+3 $250 GameStop gift card. It requires the user to enter his email and hit continue, so you get your money. Just hit the continue button and you get your money. There is an additional option in 7search that you can use to track your campaigns, in addition to the sub ID that we have used in the previous steps. This option is the tracking options of 7search. In the campaigns list, you will find that there is a link to track your campaigns. When you click that link, you go to the tracking page, in which you can track your conversion rate. Just select the type of conversions you want to track. There is a sale code. That code is placed on page that say thank you for the purchase, and other code for the lead page that says thank you for contacting us, and a third one for the subscription. Your subscription has been processed. When you are for CPA, cost per action, you are not making sales for most of the offers. So when you are not making sales, you can choose the sign up code. When you choose it, click on refresh code, and in the end of the page, click on the code and it will be highlighted automatically. Copy that code and return back to your Beefly offer. In the end of the offer page, you will find a link says links. Click on it and you will find a lot of links you can use. Now click on the tools link. The tools link include that one that allow you to track your conversions. You'll find a link that says place tracking pixel. Place tracking pixel. That one we have covered is the tracking pixel. We just paste it and hit submit. Your tracking pixel is ready to use. Your tracking pixel has been placed and you are transferred to the offer once again. Now you can track your conversions through the pixel from 7search and also from the sub ID of your link. Please note that the tracking pixel is not available for new users who have not made some conversions in 7search. You have to make some conversions in Beefly and Max Bounty first before 7search gives you the tracking code. Once that tracking code is established, you get a lot of statistics about the activity of your campaigns. Another option for 7search is the reports tab. It gives you a lot of information about how your campaigns are performing. Gives you daily or even weekly reports on how your campaigns every day are going. Second one is the campaign report. It divides your work by campaigns. Third one is the keywords report. It just gives you an idea on how your keywords are doing. Finally, the billing history report, which gives you a history of your billing states. By doing all the previous steps, you guarantee to see your data available in the reports section of Beefly and Max Bounty. When you log into Beefly, click on the reports tab and it gives you option to see reports about your campaigns. You just leave it as absolute date or choose the date that you want, relative date, today, yesterday, last 7 days, and so on. Click on submit and you see complete reports on how your campaigns are doing. In Max Bounty, you can also check your reports by clicking on the reports tab. You specify your date as shown here, then click run reports and there will be a report for your campaigns.